Hello everyone, welcome to RLTV channel. In this video, I will show you best apps for screen recording. And these apps guys is for Android device. So let's start. First is we go to Play Store and search AC screen recording. So this one guys, I already searched these apps already, so I just click this one, AC screen recorder, no root. So this is the apps guys, 10 million downloads, 1 million reviews. So so we install this guys, so click install and we wait this one until it finish download.
So many apps guys that have in Play Store. So like this one, screen recorder, video recorder, and so patient lang guys. User experience design. So this is very nice apps guys. We'll click if it is time. 72%. So
So this is the apps guys, the AC screen recorder. We already finished download, so we just click this one to see what's the features of this app. So just click, and here is the the button of these apps. So if you want to change the quality of this apps, so go to settings. There is many options there, and if you want to take a screenshot, so just click this one, the camera button, the screenshot option, this one. And finally, if you want to record the screen of your phone, this is the button guys, so just click this one, the recording button. And if you want to go live, click this one, the signal symbol. And this one also, this is also a live option if you want to watch live. So that's all guys, and I hope you like this video. And don't forget to subscribe guys, and hit the bell icon so that you can notify if I have new videos that I upload. So thank you guys, see you to my next video.